Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie.
And I'm Paul. Charlie, you look excited today. What happened?
Oh, Paul, I went shopping this morning, and it was such a funny experience.
Really? Tell us. We love a good shopping story.
Well, I wanted to buy a jacket, but I didn't know how to ask for a different size.
Oh, I know that feeling. Many learners understand English, but speaking it in real situations feels scary.
Exactly. But I took a deep breath and used simple phrases. And it worked.
Let's share some helpful shopping phrases. These are easy and very useful in daily life.
Yes. For example, you can say, "Excuse me, how much is this?"
That's a classic. You can also say, "Do you have this in a bigger size?" Or, "Can I try this on?"
I used that one today.
I can imagine. And if you want a different color, you can say, "Do you have this in another color?"
Simple and clear.
Very true. Simple English is powerful. You don't need big, difficult words when shopping.
I always tell learners, use short sentences, speak slowly, and smile.
That's beautiful advice. Confidence grows step by step.
And every real-life conversation makes you braver.
So the lesson is simple. Don't be afraid to speak. Start with small phrases.
Yes, every time you try, your English becomes stronger.
And you feel more free in daily life.
That's true. English is not just a language, it's a skill that opens doors.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also, like my video and leave a comment.